I'm diving into the latest UPSD stock update and challenging myself to predict where it's headed next. Let's see if I can get it right. UPSD is a significant player in the fintech sector, and staying updated on its stock is crucial for anyone invested in or interested in the financial technology space. UPSD's stock has seen some wild swings lately, leaving investors scratching their heads. One day it's up, the next it's down, and it's been a rollercoaster ride. This volatility can be attributed to a mix of factors, including market sentiment, economic conditions, and company performance. It's a complex situation, and understanding the underlying reasons is key to making informed decisions. The factors contributing to investor uncertainty are multifaceted. Economic indicators, regulatory changes, and even global events can impact UPSD's stock price. Moreover, the fintech sector itself is highly competitive, and UPSD must continually innovate and adapt to stay ahead. This uncertainty can be unsettling for investors, but it's also an opportunity to reassess and adjust strategies. Investor uncertainty is also fueled by the inherent risks associated with investing in the stock market. UPSD, like any other stock, is subject to market fluctuations, and its value can change rapidly. However, for those who are willing to take on this risk, the potential rewards can be substantial. It's essential to stay informed and up to date on UPSD's performance and industry trends. The recent earnings report from UPSD provided some insights into the company's financial health. The report highlighted both successes and challenges, which have influenced the stock's recent performance. Additionally, UPSD has been forming key partnerships that could potentially drive growth and increase its market share. These partnerships are a positive sign, but their impact on the stock price remains to be seen. Market trends also play a significant role in shaping UPSD's stock value. The fintech sector is constantly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging regularly. UPSD must stay ahead of the curve to remain competitive, and its stock price reflects the market's perception of its ability to do so. Understanding these trends is crucial for making informed investment decisions. There have been some critical developments that could signal a turning point for UPSD stock. New product launches, for instance, can be a game changer, while regulatory changes can either hinder or help the company's progress. Any significant news or announcements can impact the stock price, and investors should be closely monitoring these developments. UPSD's recent product launches have generated significant interest, and some analysts believe they could drive substantial growth. However, regulatory changes can also impact the company's operations and profitability. Investors need to stay informed about these developments to make well-informed decisions. In conclusion, the recent developments and news surrounding UPSD have significant implications for its stock. Investors should carefully consider these factors when making decisions about their investments. To recap, we've discussed UPSD's recent stock performance, its earnings report, key partnerships, and market trends. The main points to take away are the importance of staying informed and the potential for growth, but also the risks involved. If you have any thoughts on UPSD's future, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. If you missed my previous video on stock market trends, be sure to check it out for more insights into the world of finance.